First, open your preferred browser on your Windows 11 PC. I'll be using Chrome, but this should work similarly in other browsers as well. Now open the web page you want to capture. Here, I've opened a Wikipedia page about affiliate marketing. Just scroll down the entire page to ensure it fully loads. This is important for capturing the complete screenshot. Now, right-click anywhere on the web page. From the options that appear, select Inspect. A Developer Tools panel will open, usually on the right side of your browser. Click on the icon that looks like a phone and tablet labeled Toggle Device Toolbar. Now in the Developer Tools panel, click on the 3 vertical dots, the menu icon. You'll find an option called Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Click on Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, the screenshot has now downloaded. When you open this screenshot, you'll find the long, scrolling capture of the entire web page. So that's how you take a long screenshot in Windows 11. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hitting that subscribe button helps us create more content like this, and it keeps you up to date on the latest tech tips and tricks for Windows 11.